Pension plan trustees have critical fiduciary duties to act in the best interests of plan members. However, many trustee boards lack the proper training in governance, investment strategies, and regulatory compliance. This leads to poor oversight and decisions that undermine plan sustainability. This Pensions Authority Trustee Certification Program equips trustees with the knowledge and skills to effectively govern pension plans. Participants will learn pension regulatory requirements and compliance, leading practices for trustee governance and conduct, pension financing, accounting, and actuarial methods, portfolio investment strategies aligned to plan liabilities, risk management frameworks for pensions, effective member and sponsor communication. With this certification, pension plans will benefit from strengthened governance, improved funding levels, and better risk management. Trustees will gain credentials validating their expertise to fulfill critical governance duties. Don't allow pension governance gaps to jeopardize member retirements. Enroll today in this Pensions Authority Trustee Certification Training Course to uphold the highest standards for your pension plan.